dan tokaji ko na kay samati ko wale ni alam bris rugby class kay na wali kana binakang ko ni kaya na wala mo sumauro na dito wale may Townsville sa sabi ko yan na view restaurant na dito Wambula dinuwa binak kanina doon na mga binak sa ngayon bawa ko na mga chiko yung wambo ko na kaya ko kayo doon ko ay nabuhay pa rin bali dan marutak kadang kalangan ng namatawan ng mga danoke ano nang dalawang kiniwala mi tanang liwas pero ni na wala ko chiko na ng Rugby dan every day usulit ko na manindi ang pagkakas
Maka sendo kila dengan laki dengan betua bawa nakau mereka balik dengan kalau yang tina balik dengan kalau mau balik kaki balik turang na rugby class kalau nak kasama kena products turang sa kena producer sa lakuan niya dito ay wala kang sale isa talaga mo na wala makalaw na manikila niya ang tipo na kena cow na workshop in a week of turang para hindi tinayal ni Borgo possible may tamoni hindi kami bamu na turang meron kila turang na ito na tayo doon sa Rewera Meron ni Rabay na taka na tulog, maniwala niya ang kinatulas. Nawalib niya kami ng kuwa. Thank you for your faithfulness, Father. With Rugby Island Breeze, Rugby Plus, with Wanga and Oscar and Rasa and Kilo. Thank you, Lord Jesus, that we could be here at the Briox Cafe and launching the Samsawar account program workshop today. We're so grateful to you. For your protection upon the trip from overseas and the trip from Tiki level to be here. Your God in Bono level, in South, we are grateful. What we just want to commit is afternoon to you, the launching, the speeches, whatever is there, Lord God. We just pray, Father, that you open our eyes, our ears, Lord God, to hear and to see what you want us to see, what you want us to grasp. Lord God, from this launch. Thank you for those who are listening for live coverage, Lord God, this afternoon. Lord, we just pray, Father, that you would clear the networks, the communication, whatever is coming in from this inside this cafe, Lord God, will be so loud and clear wherever our friends and our families are listening. Thank you again for this wonderful time, this wonderful meeting to your hands. Nabalik na turangan ng kami ko. Kaya may mas, kaya magambar mo yung nakamba. Nakiti ko natin yung likod siya, di may turangan. Kanina.
Amen.
Wala ko koto. Hindi na niyo nag-sunod yung may bangga. Nung nagkarawa. O bakas ng matakas yung nanawasan. Kaya loro, Jonathan na secretary ni Israel ambassador may Campbell na may kito gawitan ng mga kito viwekani wala ka na rin rin sa Rugby Plus wala ka na ambassador ni Israel may Campbell noon ko sa kito na wagaw Jonathan kakide ito yung pinunduhan para natanggol noon ang kay yato kinanawanan niya kay may sudo na waganan niya may kuni-kuni tayo na noon yung kuni-kuni tayo kinagay wasudo na waganan niya kay may indua kali. Na alam niya Breeze Rugby Plus sudo nga nagdoon na mga namin na nagtawag mo kinuwang wari tawag ikim ni nanon ang bita na club nanon wag nanan may alam may duto na program sa taring guru-guru nanon Ini kalau ni beka namu mani mutal notaka na laku mai tadile wati utong ngai dona kona lela kitu vital motong ngaki no yau ili wis tambu ko tira kitu tal nonton awang dona kona itu wati dona koro bici namun kita usaha dili wa ki program muciko kina bei musi na loira itu kono wang boka usaha biar kauta na rugby plus tadile tu sangai vital no Yo che vida na bakimu sa toya na kena dili wa kena rugby plus program mai tadile ko mai bagai na baksa tati ko nga mai nan do na vital no na no musika na malu so dan vital no chiko na maro ta chiko no vikai na bagai dele ko au nita ka ni na kambo ileu vital no go na rede kina na ngande na tatandra na raibotu kina bunua ya laku cikin rugby plus memang ada kegiatan kan rugby dalam kampung au nanu mo mesa na sila nungo wana liu ni alin bis rugby plus Australia ko TV ko sa atin Pasifika mena ngai tumang ko na bekaken eta nungo ko men pagari tak weekend ni marroy ni kato ni tutu ke ka wale wanga barla Good evening to everybody, joining in from all over the world. Today is a great day for the launching of the 2024 Rugby Plus Clinic in Fiji, specifically in Sabsabu and also in Mawala, straight after. We're very grateful. If you can see the picture right here is the picture of grassroots, and that's what we want to do, that's what we want to represent. So like Rasa said, more than 50 years ago, a dream was born, and the dream was called Rugby Plus. Specifically to use rugby to use young kids in the community, whether to keep them off drugs, keep them busy, and have them become a positive influence in the community. So Rugby Plus, the sign in itself signifies that we do focus not only on rugby, but also on life matters that involves young people who are playing this game and nations that are very much in love with the game of rugby in Fiji and all over the world. So this week we have a very full-on program starting on Monday all the way to Friday, and we have big coaches that are coming from Australia and also in Fiji. We have rugby union and rugby league coaches that will be doing a lot of skill training for young people. And then we also have a sports chaplaincy program that we're going to be running whole week, a couple hours a day. And also we have a YM team that is also here, just returning from China. They're going to be helping with our kids program and also some night community programs. So it's a very full-on program that we're doing. And I just want to say thank you to some of our partners who have come on board to make this campaign a possibility. We have care partners in Australia and also Safe Harbour, Church, New Life, and Accelerate here in Fiji. And then we have Rapo's own company, which is Vibes, that also very much part of this program they're having this week. Specifically also we want to highlight and thank the Three Yokes Cafe here in Sabsabu. Usually we have the launch in Suva. Yeah. We have a big shop. If you're coming to Fiji and coming to Sabsabu and you need some good Fijian food, please drop in at Three Yokes Cafe. We highly recommend it. And so we're going to be, like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of full-on program, and we have been looking forward to see that happen. We have men and women that are signed up. Last year we have more than 100 kids, young people. And this year I think we're expecting a little bit more. We have some youth teams coming from Mombasa also that are going to be here, and then now we're hearing some young people around Sabsabu area that are looking at also joining us for the week. So at the end of the week we're going to be giving certificates, and also we have, like I said, we have some chaplains that are coming from Australia. We're also going to be speaking on issues that involve young people that are part of the game. So our theme for Tadilebu this year is tackling youth issues on and off the field. So rugby, we know that in Fiji it's more than sport. In the Pacific, it's most likely like a lifestyle. Whether you play the game or you watch the game or you watch it on TV or you're hearing people shouting, and all that, everybody is involved in the game. So we are very much interested to see how we can reach the young people in this country using this team this year, tackling youth issues. There are issues that our young people do face, whether it's on the field or off the field, that we have trained people, skilled people that are here to give their time and voluntarily avail their resources to come and be part of this great week to impact good life change through the message of Rugby Plus with a foundation of spirituality to give back to our community. So we have the police department that will come on board also. We're going to be speaking on ethnic crimes, cyberbullying, and domestic issues and stuff like that. Those are all the issues that we want to focus on. Also, we have the health department and board talking about sports injuries and also how to manage their injuries and all that, and also basic life involvement that a lot of young people can get caught up with if they're not careful. But so we want to make sure that we are utilizing the resources that we have to train and equip, disciple our young people to become good rugby players on the field, but also specifically off the field. So here we are, Rugby Plus, we're launching in South. Usually we launch in Suba, and we have all the luxury of having the media there. But hey, we're in South, we're the hidden paradise, and we have our own live stream happening, and we are connecting to the world, which is very, very wonderful. So once again, thank you to Poto and the Three Oaks Cafe for hosting this great launch today, and also Accelerate coming on board, and all our great supporters here in Fiji and overseas, and all our teams that are here to be part of this great event. So welcome to Sosabu, Tadilevu, and we are looking forward to bless Tadilevu again and see some young people from this village and the region either represent Fiji or go overseas and create pathways for them also. Thank you and God bless. Kita telah masuk soleh. Orang ada sih cikgu nama saya ini mulai ni Cina rumah kawan tahu mai tadi. Orang mesti orang satu dua orang, satu dua orang. Cina kali mana berbuat betul sangat ramai. Kalau kita nak katakan nonton mai vital mau cikgu kuah ke tanah malu kan. Orang buat mana tarik tadi dia tarik tu robe. Orang buat talengan ni, liu talengan angon main biasai buah, biasai maduaka, ya sasama cuma ini cikini borok kerana, ni dah bilang kata talengan berarti. Kira kira betul na, belakang rumah itu ni le, untuk lagi kira betul cikgu. Kalau ni sini main untuk bal-bal, ya na Rugby Plus. Yang nanti main flow, yang nanti we. Berapa lengan, ni dah main rumah. Yang ni itu. Mereka total sekali na Rugby Plus. Pina aku selalu surat yang nanti itu kali. Mulai saat cikgu main korang orang Tadilevu, kaya ni warung cikgu main rapo, usin kelas, ala pun main orang tu, kau sering tu ada apa orang kata kelibasi, sen dua bentuk nabi Cina ni warung cikgu main, orang pun sasa cikgu ni itu tunggu, ni Tadilevu rara betul nggak sah tunggu itu betul. Usah sudah tenang untuk tokan ni main Tadilevu, dan wasiaman dan Zawa, Raiva. Dawa rumoda, dawa kila, dawa tomboka, na reile sinibika reido ko en baksaut. Bukea, tumbera, susunga, barang ko ileuta. Nonong pula, ginda tuwa wit. Kene lang mo no bibara ramata. Ni kambaleta na rugby, yana yung enelo kene mo wakasan kala.
Kenapa teman turun nanggo ni binata kina na kalau na buno na vending tak kina na ding na korte dilem ne pakai dor kina na rugby clinic kapay dor na baksau itu baru kena na leni banua kimen babli na talaga na dorbo kena manelaw irani kimen main doru magatundo na rugby clinic bango me kausar me nani mani kor sena ni tu delnia gue tadili nando nakakitu babli binatang ni batani lebutu na bibanwa era iker era binakata tu me bagadorikin na rugby clinic bango nando nakakitu babli binatang kinaturan irani tingi tadili lebutu me lagi susungi karedi kina nabi ka irani tareda kina non rambulan na daru kina manelaw osir na kena timberi na buni biarkan ni kona bulan ni rakabi senang gitu kona rakabi tu nambag sauti kimani bandin din tak na luni bonwa non rang olean ni na dari bingarabi la bingarabi na kena timberi na dorbo na manelaw na kena bagador na kona klinik anda kilam na kena taray bang matalalay eso na bika na kena timberi na lumani rara osir na kena na ustulem na tondo ni rara uklan ni do bunga nangona narakabindo batang bagindo tunga na lomani rara kakito pabili na kani yada na rugby plus ni rega talanga nangon sala na tonda kani oti minarara na kena tumbe no rombulo wayalo nangone senador bu rati ubule na magsawti ana to nakakito pabili na taki na leoni bono mitadile ani rani siang ni batang bagindo na bingara lomani rara bosi bitala na kena tumberi dag non rombulo na dorbo nangone leo erati ko nang bagisawti na bu ni lore na non rombulo wayalo na kena osini tutu na ki Jesu Kristo talabe dak talanga mi non rombulo kito ba ni nang bagisawti anyoti na rugby clinic ramole so na dorbo aralaki bidang na sing arati ubule na clinic ramole tebeoni oti meyal wador talana gita na maris ramole talana na dorbo na koro oti abador na tamanda musebe na bagisawti akito ba ni binakan ni bagador na tamanda musebe saba ka butukan na kina na rugby clinic arto rawat na kina na timiti kina na beni na dodobin under 20 ando ka kito ba ni natin lebo na biti ni romle oti ani na maris tara lagi baita na tamanda akito ba ni binakan ni na korli lai ambudi ni kina na rugby na kina ko na bagsauti etala bita na rombol ni kita rugby ramle ko to mnevil ko to me bonali ko tsara mena ni lomani to kina ba lawin nadodobin under 20 yana na kina ba butukan na ta kina na rugby clinic kali ba dole na nito koro na bagsaw ana bu na kito ba ni na kina wale bu rugby plus na wale bu sibris na kina nanumiti ko man nito dele ni ako ito kila ni erna lagi yang kina rombol na dorbo na manela kina terbiasa kito ba ni le subita la men nito dele ni ako na bagombo na kito ba ni na kina nanumita mo terdile ito kila ni sabalile na karabuli na bagisawati na kaya nabagador ng bengo esa nang itala bedar talon na kila me belata na bulan ni gito rawi sewana ni rawi osim na kaya na otim na rawi na kaya na tekol tek so na bi lengesor dosta tu na dorbo na ngonelaw ito ba nunang nambaisaw ti rani bagadila bi so na rarama na kaya na rani ra tumberikin non rambul na ngone merani seur na dorbo na ngonelaw ni sewana ni bimbito nga gito rawi lo man rara osim na itobo kani balbala sinebaraw me bagador ni sautim nang gito na manirara ito ba ni natin ni bando talent na pa ni na levo na rugby plus na kana scoben tindol na delnya mitadile kakito tu baro tu na lo manyambay ko ito bisuretel tu nga bararamba weekend na baro rongotiko na dabo baro tu migena na kabina ni puwa sabi suret itu na koro tadile ni walmay wale levo ito kila ni nasional nga niyang itadile yang na buno the count robe yang na buno bonwa levo todo bono levo raramba na kena taray da non rombuli dorbo kena manileo na bosib na gito rugby en lo manirara kena karuan na kena tekal tek so na bi legaso en dosta ba en tonto ko ni rara ni mani rotio na ndabeti na kabina ni kuwa romotal tiko na leoni bonwa da baro na kabidenda i bondo ta na pawni na levo na ko balew na kena lorei na kena skobi na bindel ni beso militar le na kena rombulan ni gito rugby kena bi kai so dorbo kena manileo mani mai tiko dos artion ko sa leleka ni baka binibinaka bibong geti bisuretel tunga na kana ni kuasa wa na kanle
naka kemini na sarsar tikumai kito chingwa na dona balikana na niyo ulebua na korwoturan o waibunia dona chico kina dona nisi sama dili wag juga na lo manitaw no saw live juga ni kina na nito program na kena tahu na singan ni Bogarutan di Alin Bridge Rugby Plus karena bagai dari Chico may tadi nanong talaga may wat no stick raw na binganen o lewa batikipau na wala ni way bunia ni wale dom dana waso tira todo chico el puro wala ni kamay sabi ko na ba koto yung sabi ko na ba direct tali may tansuin may bisaw na numundo info may kiso design tak nga na Rugby Plus berarti mundo ga induri tuwang o sa zero tuitaw na may zero nga may kimundo rira yung gana tili may kay dia na kay bicho dire pero may kana nga iki inaka sa tuman ni nanon ito Vingarami sa nanon ito maro ta chiko na kami ko au sana solia ko makanta man na turango ko na turang ang gasi ni huli bakarego o sea umlo e bawa titi ko na koro bitomo may na bonolo toka na Vingarami sa tuwang malaw na Fiji Rugby Union nandoon ang ngauna ka ngaraw ka nga na chimni da kunro ben nandoon ang ngauna me ro sara na final ni B division turang nga tutal nga ito na nakana ngaray na nono ni tamangone tawabi ni bilang kani duwa nga nilis misal at ito may siyama sama iya ito na nito ito kanin rendre sambi bital nga may kina Rio o Eddie Wanda sangga ito kang bon turang mo era do kaya kuya na gasni uli in wala wala wango o kuya ke wakay ito abe uli na na level 1 level 2 coach ni World Rugby kena mo na ko to ni deda nga no mo ni kala na buko ito turang ang dota ni turang ang chitongu ito kana do bito kay ko tagi kuya turang ni dia may naya tulaw au marota ka dikito may bito kani kakito buli may wa kena lew sar na kay na bukan na ni Rugby na ray ni Rugby na bulan ni Rugby sinay tuwa na turang na dilomat kasi buli wa deu ando man na bekin da magwa o sea ulo sa wala bita
sudah kelas saya I think because of my small set is looking at I'm really happy with what has come forward. And that's basically what it is. World Rugby. When we talk about World Rugby, they value the importance of reviewing programs. I think when you talk about reviewing programs, you're talking about the objectives. And then there are big questions that falls in line with the objectives. Have we met the objectives of last year's program? What are some of the things that didn't went well in last year's program? And if we are going to do it again, and that's exactly what we are doing again this year, we are going back to that. And then we need to refine, remake some of the shortfalls of last year's program. And then today, our spiritual advisor, Koroyawala, walked into the room. Koro is an example of a success story of Kaurami. When I was with BC Rugby, I spent a lot of time with the Kaurami Rugby unit. You know, at that time it was SATS. Koroi was the first primate for the SATS franchise, hails from the Koro. And then he went on to be part of my team for the 2009 Under-20 championship in Japan. And then from there, I think he played for the Brazilians and the Warriors. And then I think he joined the Fiji And those are some of the things that Rugby Plus is very particular on trying to get talents recognized, identified, and be able to impact the community. So I was sitting today, I was thinking of 3 years with Rugby Plus. If you talk about Rugby Plus in Ovalau, you need no introduction there because there is a lot of success stories on the island of Ovalau. You go to Ovalau, for all of us that are going to Ovalau, we see in the program young villagers like you and me have managed to build the houses. And that is part of the Rugby Plus. So me, I have to leave work for these 2 or 3 weeks, sacrificing on trying to impact lives. It goes back to our Great Commission in Matthew 28. Yeah. You cannot be able to directly tell the word. These are some of the programs that are able to be introduced into the community so that you become a good citizen. I share some of the things that we were telling stories on Talanoa session with the captain of P17. That is why there's a lot of media on this on him and the national coach. He said that his exact words are, I've been playing rugby, I've been doing a lot of business, but at the same time, in vernacular, he said, I want to Rugby. So basically, when you see Rugby Plus, I think rugby will come to an end. But the plus factor, which is Rugby Plus, that's basically the important thing of Rugby Plus. So I'm very thankful that I was introduced into the program. I think that was in 2010, and I'm still part of that because I value the importance of imparting knowledge on grassroots people like you and me, so that at the end of the day, you will be able to get something in life. I think the stories, the success story coming from Tadile, with just first year of Rugby Plus program, they managed to get under 20 trophy for the November. So that's basically something that Rugby Plus, when it's coming back to be a success story. It's coming back to hear a story of impacting lives. And that's basically why we are here today, and we are thankful to the directors of this lovely restaurant, able to give us time to come and say, even though we might be, our spirit might be tempered because of less turnout. But unfortunately, you will be surprised to see people viewing this program will be more than us. So basically, that's my purpose for this afternoon, is be able to tell you our purpose of coming back to Tadile. And we are praying that we can be able to impact some other parts of business. So, I'm going to live with you Maritaka, and I'm going to go relative na beka na Rugby Plus, ndono mito televi, matali tu na gabanga kaka programs. Erando televi na rauni rede, gabanga kaya na minaka, gabanga kaya na ga, sila gabanga sa mga ubisa o buti na pa when tuti na limit to kita na monitor simay na banko. We need to go back, sit down with the village, and then they will share stories, and we know that we are doing right or we are not doing so right, so we can be able to find things so that when we leave, we have impacted. Pinakabaliw.
Ano masusuliw? Kaya nilaw na okay. Kau orang cikgu mai nunggu boy. Joseph Tamani mai Orense. Nito mara umbara tena nomu sponsor ta kana poli rugby ko sa tong bida na poli rugby. Contoh main Indo elok main nito programo mai lebuka in Melbourne, Box Hill, laksar na NRC, Wartas, salak sarcikan. Naman salak sarcikan. Go napolong ko pa tuno ka tawang kayo sa kita berpol. Era lebih sang kita ketuma tanang ngulim ni tadi lebu medo ni sama wal never. Masuk so wicho naka Rugby Plus kita minta dia memang nama letakkan kena lawan ke. Pasal satu tungan gol ni yang kari tengah sungai ni antikop. Era itu ya tarawatan sel main di heavy. Oh, acknowledge tak kira tu na WM group heavy and the team. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being part of
May right. Bill, kita nak buatin na may.
One, try nalina. 1, 2, 3. Let's give 3 cheers. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Kadina oting anggo sampai na yang dua orang biologi. Kawan bila kata kita tu na menelewa itu bingkara bici kan